Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for the Xbox wireless headset. So yeah, I had to order this yesterday. Well, I didn't. My friend ordered it for me, so thank you, George. So yeah, my other headset, my Turtle Beach Stealth 600s Gen 2, completely failed on me. So basically, the plastic snapped, and basically one of the cups was hanging off. So yeah, after 15 months, so unfortunately I had to get a new headset. But I've wanted this one for a while. As you guys know, I'm very much an Xbox fan. Xbox is my preferred choice of most games, and obviously I've got my PS5 as well, purely for exclusives. So but yeah, I'm very much in with the Xbox brand, and what Xbox are doing with, Game Pass and all that is basically unrivaled for me. So, but yeah, that's another topic for another day. So I got this delivered today from Amazon. So yeah, really, I've heard pretty good things about this. I think I'm going to need to change some settings when I actually pair it up, because apparently out the box it isn't the best, but once you get the settings right it's fine. So it's really good apparently. So yes, so anyway, on the front we have a picture of the actual headset. On the side I've kind of got this on my lip a bit, so it was easier for me to get open, but never mind. On the side it's for the Series X and S, Xbox One, Windows 10. On the back just tells you all that stuff there, which is just standard stuff. Back on the other side, same. And then inside the box itself, we have the headset itself, which is really snazzy. Let me just put that there for a minute. Inside you also get some manuals and a USB-C cable, because everything is USB-C nowadays. And is this going to go back in as is? There we go. So yeah, there's the headset. So the one thing I do quite like about this is, so that side, you can see the little thing there. That side is your voice to game, as far as I understand it, which, there you go. The green button is your pairing button, and also your on-off button. You got your mic there with a mute underneath, which extends out. This side is your volume, focus, and the little Xbox logo there. I believe the mic, yep, there's a little, I think there's a little LED in there to tell you what's what. But yeah, I mean, it was $89.99, and to be honest, for most premium headsets, that's probably the standard price anyway. So I was quite happy to pay that for something that I'm going to use pretty much every day anyway. And as far as I'm aware, they're pretty comfortable. So, I mean, my Turtle Beaches were pretty comfortable as well. But yeah. That's what you get when you pay a premium price for a premium headset. I mean, I could have gone all out and got a SteelSeries Arctis wireless, which was like 150 quid, but I got to be honest, I'm not going to spend £150 on a headset, purely because that's a lot of money. I mean, this is like the most I've ever spent on a headset anyway. That with obviously this one and the Turtle Beach. So, but yeah, I am looking forward to using it. And yeah, so that is it for my I'd say rather quick, we've been at it for 4.5 minutes, unboxing of the Xbox wireless headset. So yeah, if you like this, guys, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.